Hey guys, this video is a little different. I'm doing a voiceover being that I already recorded this. And first and foremost, I want to apologize for my voice. I've been a little sick for the last couple weeks. So here we're washing my hair. Well, now we're rinsing the shampoo out, drying my hair.
Alright guys, so today is cutting your own hair.
Oh my god!
No, it doesn't hurt.
And this is where the magic begins. I am retouching my balayage and bringing it up towards the roots of my hair. A little backstory. I already knew I was due for a touch-up, being that I colored my hair back in February. And so I just waited for the summer to be over. That way I don't have to deal with no salt water or chlorine from the pool. And now that I was ready to do so, I realized my ends were destroyed. So I just went ahead and chopped most of my hair off. I want nice, long, healthy hair that I had before. Here I am speeding up the process because it's a little long and I don't want you guys to get bored. I just want to show you guys a little bit of what my process was like.
Are you ready to go dark? Or are you gonna freak out?
I was being silly and trying to peek to see if I can tell a difference. I was also loving my skin. My skin looks so nice and clear. Finally, I've always had like pimples here and there. It's nice to have a clear skin.
So now we're applying the toner, guys. We're going for a honey. Not too dark, not too light.
And as you guys can see, here we're still doing some toning. After toning, we're basically almost done, which I forgot to record, I'm sorry. After toning, we resent the toner do some rollers, go under the dryer, and blow dry. I'm going to show you guys a before and after picture. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.